So this is Fatal Marine, and that's Fatal. I'm Sinister. The rest of the team isn't here, but he's going to try to get this magazine in there after he runs in the room, throws the magazine he has away. I throw him a magazine, and he's going to try and attempt to put it in. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, dang it. Again. You ready? Go. We're gonna get this. I got you. Go. Just keep on going because I have 2 clips that I can throw towards you. So go. I like this. 3, 2, 1. And he got it. See? No lie. No lie. Clip is there. See it? And here's my 3M1911s. There's Sally. You guys know her. Sally. And, well, those are coming. It's got digital tape on it. But we're going to get those fixed up soon. So, that's Fatal, Sinister, and we're out.